consider this closed circuit. This circuit is having the battery of some 10 volts, and now the resistance of the circuit will be 0.0, and this is 0.0 volt. The switch will be in the open condition, and these are all the ammeters used to measure the current value in the particular branches. So now we know the formula for ohm, that is Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R, and from this equation we can write it as I is equal to V divided by R. So I is inversely proportional to the resistance value. If you are increasing the resistance value, automatically it reduces the current value. So from this circuit we can see how the resistance will restrict the flow of current. That is, if you are increasing the resistance value, the current value is reduced. So now I'm going to close the switch and see how the current is flowing through the circuit, and if I'm going to increasing the resistance value, how the current value will be changed, right? So for that, just now I'm going to close the switch, and here see, uh, when I'm closing the switch, at the time the current flowing through the circuit will be indicated by the ammeters. That is, here see, because of the low resistance value, that is the resistance value is 0 ohms, the battery is giving the voltage of 10 volt, so that the enormous amount of current is flowing through the branches. See, the current value will be some 54,000, like that. Now I am going to increase in the resistance value, right? What will happen? Let us see. Just I am going to click the resistance, and I am going to increase in the resistance value as some that is, I am going to increase in the resistance value by 2 ohms, and now I am going to increase the second branch resistance value as some 1 ohms, and now I'm going to increase the third resistance value is also 1 ohms. Okay, so now let us see what are the corresponding changes in the branch currents. That is, initially, because of the 0 ohm resistance, the large amount of current is flowing through the circuit. So now if you are increasing the resistance value, the current flowing through the first branch will be 4 amps, and the second branch will be 2 amps, and third branch also 2 amps, because second and third branch resistance are equal. So the 4 amps current is equally divided into 2 amps and 2 amps. So suppose now I'm going to increasing the first resistance value from 2 ohms to some 4 ohms. So here see, I'm increasing the resistance value as 3 ohms. Initially, at the time of 2 ohms resistance, the current in the first branch will be 4 amps. So after increasing the resistance value is 3 ohms, the current value will be 2.86 ohms. That is, initially, if the 2 ohms value, the current value resistance will be 4 amps. I am increasing the resistance value as 3 ohms. The current value will be 2.86 amps. So the current value will be reduced. So if you are increasing the resistance value, automatically the current is restricted, flow of current is restricted, so that the current value is automatically reduced. This is the one of the explanation for easy understanding of resistance and current relationship. If you are increasing the resistance value, automatically it reduces the current flowing through circuit. Now let us see, with the help of this circuit, again we will see how the KCL will be applied for this circuit, right? So now I'm going to reduce the resistance of the first branches. There's some 2 ohms. Now the first resistance will be reduced as 2 ohms. So now see, the values of current in the each branches will be, first branch value is 4 amps and second branch value will be 2 amps, 2 amps. So we know the KCL at the node point, sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. So consider this is the node A, right? This is the node A, this is node A. At that point the incoming current is nothing but this is the incoming current, right? 4 amps is the incoming current and this is the outgoing current. This is also a outgoing current from this node A. So at the node point A, the summation of incoming current is 4 amps. So incoming current is 4 amps equal to sum of outgoing current is nothing but the 2 amps and the 2 amps. So the outgoing current is 2 plus 2. So the sum of incoming current is equal to outgoing current, or the sum of incoming current plus the sum of outgoing current is in terms of negative sign, so that is the minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the Kirchhoff's current law. At the node point the current will be is equal to 0, that is sum of incoming current and the sum of outgoing current, both of them are equal. So this is the KCL. So here the incoming current is 4 amps, outgoing current will be 2 plus 2 4, so both of them are equal. So at the node point the sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current, otherwise the summation of incoming current plus summation of outgoing current is equal to 0. So this is one of the simulation for better understanding of Kirchhoff's current law. And so here in the same circuit, suppose I am going to increase the resistance value, right? That is, I am going to increase the first resistance value from 2 ohms to 4 ohms. So now let us see. So I am increasing the resistance value as 4 ohms. So now let us see what is the variations of current. In that first branch the current will be 2.2, and here the second and third is the 1.11, 1.11. So at the node point A, so this is the node point. At this node A, consider this node A, the incoming current is 2.22. So 2.22, then minus sum of outgoing current will be this 1.1 and 1.11. So 1.11 plus 1.11 is nothing but again 2.22. So 2.22 equal to 0. So this is the Kirchhoff's current law. At the node point this current will be 0. Summation of incoming current and summation of outgoing current is equal to 0. So for theory part of this KCL I have explained in my last video. So I have attached the link for that video in the description. Just go and watch and get clear information regarding the Kirchhoff's current law. So this is the practical circuit or simulation circuit for better understanding of the relationship between current and resistance and the Kirchhoff's current law. If not subscribed our channel Triple A Encyclopedia, subscribe and click bell icon and also click all for getting all notifications.